Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to look at two of our standard power inlet boxes. So, because everything that we do at LM is, well, how should we say, overkill, or as we say here, the appropriate amount of kill. When we need to bring power into a case, this is how we do it. This is what we affectionately call at LM our double D box because it has two D punches in it. So the way that this box works is it has a standard Hubble 5278C male inlet, and it is wired directly to a Hubble 5362 outlet. So this is the same outlet that we use in all of our power distros. It is a very heavy-duty industrial severe service model outlet. So this box's intended purpose is to bring power into a case. Now, the primary use for this particular box is in our confidence monitor system. So if you've checked out any of our confidence monitor systems, and what you would really only see in that is just this small portion of the box. The only things that get plugged into that particular case are the monitor, and sometimes we have either an SDI converter, SDI to HDMI converter, or a CAT to HDMI converter. So you really only need two outlets, and that solves this. And you know, because I am never happy with anything that you can buy off the shelf at Home Depot, we have to obviously custom build something that's insane. So this front face piece is built out of 1/8" aluminum. The side pieces are built out of 16" or what we call the 063 aluminum. Everything is black anodized. And you can get this box loaded however you want. So these are two standard D punches here. Pretty much the standard version of this is you get an HDMI and a BNC. Again, we do these also, I should say, in workstations where it's a double wide rack with a console on top. It's a great way to bring network and Dante as an example, with a Neutrik Cat 6 box or Cat 6 jack with just this, which a lot of you, if you don't know, this is falling, which a lot of you don't know, we do have our very standard Neutrik connectors available from lmcasesonline.com. So if you do want to buy this box, you can kit it out with connectors on there as well. So this box, direct from us, comes with just the punches. Again, if you want to populate it with connectors, we have them. Again, this is just a Neutrik NA HDMI, and this is a 75 ohm BNC. So it just, again, we back mount them. You can have that. So we have two very popular flavors of the double D. We have the rear outlet, which is this one, and then we also have the side outlet version. Now this is the box that we oftentimes do weird stuff to. So you can get it with just the same 5278 inlet on the front here with wired to a duplex outlets just on the side. The idea here is if you have a workbox or something like that that has drawers that are over here, this can just reduce the depth. But generally, if we have to make something locking or we need to modify it in any weird way, we use the side outlet one. So this one has the side outlet blanked out, and we have another product in here, which is called the 5278 to D punch adapter. So if you want a true one and you want to have a box that has punches in it, we can use a standardized box and we don't have to make another part number. We just use that adapter plate. Or if you have a rack panel and you maybe want a PowerCon or a true one inlet, but then you maybe decide that you hate that and you want to have a 5278 inlet, you can just use that adapter plate. That's, again, available from lmcasesonline.com. So this box has a blank panel normally. In this particular instance, we do have the true one outlet. And as far as connectors go on this, we have the good one, the heavy-duty NE8. I think this is the FDX box, or the CAT connector. I stopped using the NE8 FDP/B, the one with the little PCB on the back of it. This is a much stronger connector. Not that we had failures with the other ones, but I just like the build quality of this one. We keep this in stock in zinc and black. Again, you can buy this from lmcasesonline.com. This is the Neutrik DBA blank panel. Again, you can buy that from us. One of the other cool things that we like to do with these outlets is Hubble makes the outlet version, the flanged outlet, the 5279. So oftentimes if we're building a confidence monitor system, this will be the inlet, and then we have an outlet on the other side. So what people will do is this will be the 5279 outlet, and if you have an SDI converter box, we'll take the loop output and put it into this box. So again, if you have any questions about any of these things, like anything else, you can send me an email direct, billy@lmcases.com. Both of these boxes and all of the connectors and everything are available on our web store, which is lmcasesonline.com. You can check the link in the description below to be magically transported there. And if you'd like to follow the daily goings-on of LM, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.